Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to use this laptop as a monitor for another device. So first thing you have to do is open the start menu, then go to settings, then select system, then scroll down to the optional features, then in optional features select view features right here. Allow this application access to your Windows, then select see available features and then find the wireless display feature in here, and once you find it, just hit the checkbox next to it, click add. I cannot find it here because I already have it installed on my computer, but if you wanted to check the spelling, then here it is, wireless display. And once you add this feature, go back to system and select projecting to this PC. The first thing I want you to know is that you have to connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network before using this feature. Then right here select either available everywhere or everywhere on secure networks if you're using a secure network, and also you can hit this checkbox to switch it to the left if you want to use this PC for projection even when it's unplugged from the power source. Okay, and once you do that, you won't have to do anything else on this computer. So now let's switch to another PC. Now on the other laptop, use Windows K combination of keys and you will see the list of available devices which you can connect to. And if your laptop doesn't display on the list, then maybe try reconnect to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, because 5 gigahertz aren't supported on all devices. Then confirm the attempt to connect on your ASUS laptop, and then everything that happens on this display will be projected onto your ASUS display. And generally speaking, it's only good for things like presentations or basically for projecting static frames, as the video quality with such streaming is very poor. And now if you want to disconnect, you can either use Windows K on this laptop and select disconnect. You can also change the projection type here if you want to, but if you want to disconnect, either click disconnect right here or just close the window on your other laptop. And so basically that is all for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.